Hi, I'm Edward. This Mercedes-Benz CLA180 customer feels that his exhaust system is not good enough. So he wants something different from the market. So this is the answer. Thor Electronic Exhaust System, made in Europe. So this system comes with two MK2 speakers, one Echo speaker, one Thor Echo crossover, and the module. So stay tuned for the result later. We have installed Thor Electronic Exhaust System. Let's hear the difference. You can also add additional sound from the store here. So these are all different car model sound that you can add on. Same for the boombox sound effect. Ferrari 488 GTB. Nissan GTR. Mercedes-Benz E63S AMG. Porsche 911 Turbo S. Lamborghini Urus. You can also change the setting here. Ice cream van. And different sound effects.
Whoa! Hell yeah! Hey, you! Thank you!